Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. Today we're going to break down the ScorpionEXO Vortex Air short riding glove. The Vortex Air gloves retail for $59.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's start with sizing. I normally wear 2X in most common gloves. That's what we've got going on here right now. I would say, if anything, these lean just a touch to the tight side, right? Not enough maybe to alter the size you would choose, but it may take just a little bit of time to get them broken in exactly as you like. This is a hybrid, right? We've got a premium goatskin chassis. The workmanship looks really nice on these, blended with some high-density mesh fabric for airflow, okay? You're going to find all the mesh here on the fingers, as well as on the thumb, up this side of the back of the hand. Carbon fiber knuckle protector. We've got a Clarino reinforcement here rolling over the goatskin. Some energy absorbing foam here in the palm area for additional protection. In the high wear spots, there are some grip panels that are stitched over. We do have a small textile stretch fabric piece right here. We've seen this on some of the Alpine Star gloves. They've really blended that in the last couple of years. Now we see Scorpion doing it, right? And that gives you a little stretch right here, increases the comfort. See that on the back of the hand right here as well. Entry and exit is done with textile, or I'm sorry, that's Clarino and some Velcro. All internal stitching, which is actually a little better for safety. Touchscreen compatible in the index finger as well as the thumb. At $59.95, this is a pretty damn good glove. They're available currently in 3 colors. What we're showing you here right now is the black. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.